guys, we just got a
Central
severe
Daylight
thunderstorm
Time.
warning.
A severe thunderstorm was located near Whitewater, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Hazard: ping pong ball size hail.
Ping pong ball size tail. Ping pong ball size tail. How big is that? Probably like, is it that big? Maybe bigger. I don't know. Just got someone from Weather Nation because I have the app. I don't know why they didn't update it.
National Weather Service, Milwaukee, Sullivan. For your protection, move to an...
This is going to produce large hail, so I don't know about tornado.
At 7:26 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located over Cottage Grove.
It kind of, the whole area evens out eventually through the weekend, so the rain's going to get pushed back.
Everything went up. See?
You start off your weekend.
Sullivan, Buzzville, Hubbleton, Pipersville, and Helenville. This is the NOAA Weather Radio KEC 60 in Milwaukee. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee, Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Waukesha County in southeastern Wisconsin, southeastern Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin until 8:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:49 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Palmyra or near Whitewater, moving east at 50 miles an hour. Hazard: 2-inch hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be injured.
3:30 Friday, and then a slow drop off into the 50s. Still not that hot.
Bye.